5 reasons you should choose a standing seam metal roof. In today's video, we'll talk about one of the hottest metal roofing options on the market, the standing seam metal roof. Let's find out why residents and business owners in Tampa Bay are now choosing a standing seam metal roofing system. Like other metal roofing types, the standing seam metal roof is most known for its durability and longevity. A properly installed and well-maintained standing seam roof can last up to 50 years or even more. Why consider installing a standing seam metal roof? Here are 5 reasons. Number 1. Hidden fasteners. One of the biggest advantages of standing seams over other types of metal roofing is that they can be installed without exposed screws and fasteners. This can give your home or property a more striking appearance. Number 2. More durable. Standing seam roofs are also more durable compared to corrugated metals and other roofing options. They're more resistant to UV, moisture, wind, and extreme weather conditions. Number 3. Energy efficient. If you want an energy efficient roof, stand seams could be your best option. Like most metals, standing seams are solar reflective roofs. That means they reflect solar radiant heat rather than absorbing it, keeping your home cool and comfy. Number 4. Eco-friendly. Standing seam metal roofs are 100% recyclable. They're actually one of the most eco-friendly roofing options available on the market today. Number 5. Rust and fire resistant. Most standing seam metal roofs are protected by special coatings that are rust and fire resistant. Now, are there disadvantages? The only disadvantage of standing seam metal roofs is that they're usually more expensive than other roofing materials. Also, if not properly installed, standing seam metal roofs can be a little noisy. It's also good to know that there are many types of standing seam metal roofs. Profiles can be slightly different. Thickness matters, and how the seam is made is very important. If you want to know more, call Affordable Roofing Systems. We're always ready to serve. Our team can help you choose and install the best roofing material for your home or property. Call 813-542-8462 to get a free estimate. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.